AI-powered Shopify content creation, your guide to boosting sales and engagement. Introduction. Hello, dear Shopify store owners and marketers. Today we're going to talk about technology that is changing the game in e-commerce as much as the internet itself did, artificial intelligence, AI, and its application in content creation. Imagine being able to write descriptions for hundreds of products in an hour instead of a week. Imagine your sales emails being so personalized that customers look forward to them. This isn't the future, it's a reality available today. Let's figure out how to harness this power for your business. Part 1. Why AI is a game changer for Shopify. Let's be honest, running a Shopify store is a marathon, not a sprint. You're juggling inventory, orders, customer service, and of course, marketing. Content is the fuel for your marketing engine, but creating it takes time and resources. That's where AI comes in. Optimizing content creation, time is money. Fact: on average, writing a quality product description, 200 to 300 words, can take 20 to 40 minutes. For a store with 100 products, that's 33 to 66 hours of pure time. Analysis. AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can generate 5 to 10 description options based on key product features in 1 to 2 minutes. Even with editing and fact-checking time, you've reduced your labor costs by 80 to 90%. At that time, you could invest in strategic planning, competitor analysis, or improving your customer service. Example: the owner of the niche cosmetics store, Glow & Go, used to spend a whole working day a week writing blog posts and descriptions of new products. After implementing an AI assistant, he spends only 2 to 3 hours on this and uses the freed-up time for collaborations with influencers, which directly affects sales. Increasing store visibility, stand out or die. Fact: according to a HubSpot study, companies that blog generate 67% more leads per month than those who do not. But who will find time for regular blogging? Analysis. The competition on Shopify is huge. To get noticed in Google and social networks, you need a constant flow of quality content. AI allows you to create content on an industrial scale. Blog articles, social media posts, SEO-optimized texts for categories. This creates more entry points for potential customers looking for your products. Example: camping gear store, Peak Pursuit used AI to create a series of blog posts on topics like how to choose a tent for winter, top 10 hiking routes in the Alps, and more. They climbed to the top 3 Google search results for these queries, which led to a 45% increase in organic traffic in 6 months. Personalization of customer experience. From mass to individual. Fact: McKinsey research shows that personalization can increase revenue by 5 to 15%, and the effectiveness of marketing spend by 10 to 30%. Analysis. AI doesn't just write texts, it analyzes data, purchase history, viewed products, behavior on the site. Based on this, it can create personalized email newsletters, product recommendations, and even dynamic content on the site. A customer who bought coffee beans from Ethiopia will receive an email not about a general sale, but with an offer to try a new variety from Kenya or buy a French press. Example: clothing store. StyleWeave uses AI tools in its email marketing service, e.g. Klaviyo AI. The system automatically segments customers into dress buyers, jeans lovers, and bargain buyers. The AI then generates subject lines and text snippets for each group, which resulted in a 25% increase in email open rates. Part 2. Exploring the AI content creation landscape. Where exactly can AI help you? Pretty much anywhere you need text. AI-powered product descriptions. This is the most obvious and effective application. Tools: Jasper, Copy.ai, Sonic, and dedicated Shopify apps like AI Product Description Writer. How it works: you enter the product name and key features, e.g. backpack, 30 liters, waterproof nylon, 15-inch laptop compartment, black. The AI generates compelling copy that doesn't just list facts but sells the benefits. Take on any adventure with our backpack. Made from durable, waterproof nylon, it's designed to keep your gear safe in any weather. The spacious 30-liter compartment easily holds your essentials, and a padded pocket keeps your 15-foot laptop safe. Social media automation. Tools: Lately AI, Buffer, with its AI features, Content Studio. How it works: AI can take your long blog post and automatically chop it into 10 to 15 short posts for Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, each with its own unique focus. It can analyze successful posts in your niche and suggest ideas for new content that is likely to go viral. Personalized email marketing. Tools: Built-in AI features in Klaviyo, MailChimp, Omnisend. How it works: AI is your best assistant in the fight for attention in the inbox. It can generate dozens of email subject lines for A/B testing, write personalized text for abandoned cart campaigns, determine the best time to send an email to each specific user based on their previous activity, predict which customers are most likely to make a repeat purchase, and create special offers for them. Part 3. Demystifying AI content creation tools. The AI tools market is huge. How do you navigate it? Choosing the right tool. Ask yourself 4 questions. 1. What is my main task? Product descriptions, blog, social media. Choose a tool that specializes in this. 2. What is my budget? Many services offer free trials or plans with word limits. Start there. 3. Do I need Shopify integration? Some apps install directly into the Shopify admin, which is very convenient. 4. How important is language and tone to me? Test how different tools handle Russian and whether they can adapt to your brand voice. Understand the limitations. AI is a co-pilot, not an autopilot. Lack of true insight. AI does not understand your brand or your audience. It predicts the next word in a sequence. Without clear instructions, the result can be bland and formulaic. Risk of hallucinations. AI can make up facts, characteristics, or quotes. Rule number 1. Always proofread and edit. Not a replacement for strategy. AI will not develop a content strategy for you. It does not know what to blog about next month to attract the target audience. It is an executor, and you are the strategist. Ethics and authenticity. How not to become a robot. Plagiarism. Leading AI models, GPT-4, etc., create original content. The risk of plagiarism is minimal, but for key texts, e.g. on the main page, a quick check via online services would not hurt. Authenticity. The best content is AI-assisted, not AI-generated. Use AI to create a draft, then add a human touch. Your personal stories, unique details, humor, emotion. Tell how you came up with the idea. I can't do that. Search engine policy. Google has officially stated that it doesn't care how content is created by humans or AI, but rather its quality, usefulness, and compliance with the EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, principles. Content created by AI to manipulate search will be penalized. Useful and high-quality content edited by humans will be rewarded. Part 4. Maximizing AI-powered content. Creating content is only half the battle. You need to make it work for you. Search engine optimization, SEO. Actionable tip. Give the AI a clear task before generating text. Don't just write a description of a dress, but write an SEO-optimized description of a red evening dress, including the keywords prom dress, elegant silk dress, shop evening dress. Tools. Platforms like Surfer SEO or MarketMuse use AI to analyze the top pages in Google for your query and suggest which keywords and topics to include in your text to increase your chances of ranking well. Measuring results and iterating. What to track? Conversion. How many visitors who read the description added the product to their cart? Time on page. Do people stick around to read your blog post? Bounce rate. Do visitors bounce right after landing on your page? CTR, click-through rate. What percentage of your subscribers click on the link in your AI-generated email? The formula is simple. CTR equals open parenthesis impressions/sends asterisk clicks, close parenthesis asterisk 100%. Iteration. If you see that your article is getting high traffic but also a high bounce rate, maybe your AI-generated intro is boring. Rewrite it manually. Add some intrigue. A /B tests your AI-generated headlines and calls to action. Build a sustainable content strategy. Don't fire your copywriter. Change their role. Your strategy should look like this. 1. Human strategist defines the goals, target audience, key topics, and tone of voice. 2. AI executor generates drafts, ideas, various text options. 3rd human, editor, creator, checks facts, adds uniqueness, emotions, expert opinions, optimizes and approves the final version. This synergy allows you to create content quickly, efficiently, and in large volumes. Part 5. Real-world examples and case studies. Let's look at a hypothetical but very realistic case. Case: crafty mugs. Situation: a small Shopify store selling handmade mugs with funny captions. The owner, a single person, spent 15 hours a week creating content. Problem: product descriptions were dry. Mug, 330 milliliters, ceramic. There was no blog. Social media activity was sporadic. Solution: 1. Using Jasper, all 80 product descriptions were rewritten in a humorous and creative way. Cost: 4 hours instead of 40. 2. Using Lately AI, one article, How to Care for a Ceramic Mug, was turned into 20 posts for Instagram and Facebook. Cost: 30 minutes. 3rd, Clavio AI was used to set up an abandoned cart email campaign with personalized subject lines. Results after 3 months. Conversion on product pages increased by 18% thanks to more lively and compelling descriptions. Organic traffic from social networks increased by 70% due to regular posting. Abandoned cart return rate increased by 12%, bringing in additional revenue. The owner freed up over 10 hours a week, which he spent on developing new mug designs. Your first steps, actionable tips. 1. Start small. Choose 5 of the most popular products in your store and rewrite their descriptions using the free version of any AI tool. Compare the conversion before and after in 2 weeks. 2nd, brainstorm. Ask the AI to generate 20 blog article ideas related to your niche. You will be surprised by the results. 3. Optimize your email. For your next newsletter, use AI to generate 3 to 4 subject lines and run an A/B test. See which one performs better. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is not a threat to human creativity, but rather an enhancer. For a Shopify store owner, it is a powerful tool for saving time, scaling your marketing, and ultimately increasing your profits. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start integrating AI into your processes today and you will find that you have more time to focus on what really matters, growing your business and creating great products for your customers. Thanks for reading.